In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GCash referral code. Let's get started right away. First, open the GCash app on your device. This is the first step to accessing your account. Make sure your app is up to date, as this ensures you have the latest features and security updates. Once you have the app open, log into your account using your credentials. This step is crucial because it allows you to access your personalized settings and referral information. If you have trouble logging in, double-check your username and password. Remember, keeping your login details secure is important for your account's safety. Now tap on the profile icon. This is typically located at the bottom of your screen. This section contains all your personal settings and options related to your account. From here, you can manage your account and access features like referral codes. After tapping Profile, look for an option that says Refer Friends or Invite Friends. This is where you will find your referral link and code. This step is important because inviting friends can lead to rewards for both you and them. Next, you will have the option to copy or share the referral link. You can send it via Messenger, SMS, or share a QR code. You can also click More options for additional sharing methods. This flexibility allows you to choose the most convenient way to share your referral code with others. To ensure you've copied the correct referral code, try pasting it into your notepad or any text editor. This is a good practice because it allows you to see the entire referral link. This way you can easily verify that you have copied the right information. Once you have pasted the link into your notepad, find the referral code at the end of the link. It usually appears as a series of letters and numbers. This code is unique to your account and is what your friends will use to sign up. Make sure it is visible and correct before sharing. By following these steps, you can confidently share your GCash referral code with your friends. Doing so not only helps you earn rewards, but also introduces others to the convenience of GCash. Remember, sharing is a great way to spread the benefits of using GCash. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.